In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to Zoho CRM. If you're capturing leads or inquiries with Paperform and you want them to flow straight into Zoho CRM, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the exact path inside your form so you land on the screen where the Zoho CRM connection is configured. Along the way, I'll explain what each area does so you know you're in the correct place and why it matters. Start by opening your Paperform project for the specific form you want to connect. Think of this as heading into the Forms editor, where all of your Forms settings live. Make sure you're working on the correct form, especially if you have multiple versions or templates. It helps to quickly review the form's title and any recent edits, so you don't accidentally set up automations on the wrong one. Once the form editor is open, look for the section dedicated to what happens after someone submits a response. Click on After Submission. This is the control room for post-submission behavior. Instead of changing how the form looks or what questions it asks, this area focuses on what should happen once a respondent hits submit. Things like sending confirmation emails, triggering follow-ups, and, in our case, pushing data into other apps. If you've never been here before, you'll see options grouped around actions and integrations that occur once the form is completed. Inside After Submission, click on Integrations and Webhooks. This is where Paperform centralizes all the services it can talk to, from direct integrations to custom webhooks. You'll use this space whenever you want your form data to be automatically sent elsewhere. It's designed to make these connections repeatable and reliable, so every new submission follows the same rules. Now, from the list of available services, select Zoho CRM. Choosing Zoho CRM tells Paperform that you intend to connect this form to your CRM. Selecting it will open the panel where the connection details are managed. You'll typically see options that guide you through the remaining setup on this screen. If you manage multiple Zoho environments or roles, it's a good idea to confirm you have the right permissions and know which Zoho modules you plan to work with before you proceed further. At this point, you've navigated to the exact place where the Paperform to Zoho CRM connection is handled. From here, you can continue the configuration when you're ready. A quick tip before you move on later. Decide which fields are essential in Zoho and make note of any required CRM fields, so your data flows smoothly without errors. Thanks for watching, and great job getting to the right spot to connect Paperform to Zoho CRM.